Ikram. Excellent work and a brilliant cutback and a brilliant goal for the man we've just been talking about. Back to back to back. And Ikram Reyners has netted his 12th league goal of the season.
Yep, we spoke about the inclusion of Mudau, just how important he will be for Mamelodi Sundowns this evening, finding those moments, finding those gaps to get you a good quality cross, and this time around, a good cutback. Salez once again getting involved, and that's where you want him to be effective, linking up play. Look at the composure there, the finesse, the finishing from Ikram Reyners.
3 in a row for Ikram Reyners. To be honest, I think it's 4 in a row, because I still don't think the goal, the late goal that sent them through on aggregates against Alali, I didn't see it as an own goal. I thought it was going to hit the back of the net had it not taken